this guy.
1 second, I've got a nade sub.
No. Are you throwing it?
Yeah. That's gonna get him.
Not quite.
No, is he fucking bulletproof?
Oh, somebody else sniped him right as I fucking got in here.
No
God
way.
damn it.
Warehouse
Get
dude.
out of there.
Warehouse dude.
Okay. Oh, you're running across? To the...
One is.
Yeah.
Knocked one in the warehouse.
Nice. One is in the right warehouse, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna smoke and run out of here.
Oh fuck! I got food here. Hold on.
I think there's two in the big warehouse and one in the other one. Same
I
part of the
just hit
same
one at
squad.
the right warehouse. I'm moving. They're all trying to light me up here.
Knocked him
Nice.
again in the
Okay.
left.
One's in the gas, coming out of the gas to the left. Hit him. Hit him again. Dead.
Popping a painkiller.
Other one's coming close here. Dead.
Nice.
Mason went to get food and missed the end. He gets a chicken dinner with his Chinese dinner.
Yeah. Oh fuck, I'll have one more I think, unless you